Hello dear students, in our previous video we have discussed about the concept of self-induction. Now in this today's video we are going to discuss about the concept of mutual induction. Now, what is this here? Mutual induction is the phenomenon of inducing EMF in the secondary coil due to change in current in the primary coil and hence the change in magnetic flux in the secondary coil. Okay, what is the meaning of this here? Suppose I have two coils, something like this, and say the conduction current is sent in the first coil, something like this. Now what happens? This coil will create some magnetic flux and that magnetic flux is linking with this second coil. Let us call it as the secondary coil now. Now as the magnetic flux linking with this second coil is changing, it is able to create the induced EMF in the second coil, and due to this induced EMF there will be induced current in the second coil. So this phenomenon is called as the mutual induction. Now let us talk about the mutual inductance. It is something like self inductance. What is that here? We can define phi 2 1 is directly proportional to the I1. Now what is the meaning of phi 2 1 here? Phi 2 1 is the flux linking with coil 2 and the current is given by the coil 1. Okay. So obviously this phi 2 1 will be depending on the current passing in the first coil. Now what is that here? Further I can write here phi 2 1 is equal to Mi1. Now here M is called as the coefficient of mutual induction, or it is called as simply mutual inductance. Now what is the meaning of this? Once again see here, we are having two coils here, coil number 1 and coil number 2. This is coil 1, this is coil 2. They are placed side by side. Let us say they are coaxially placed. Okay. Now current is passed in the first coil by using some source of energy, like say some cell. Now what is happening here? Since the current is passing in the coil 1, it is able to create its magnetic flux, and that magnetic flux is linking with this secondary coil or with this second coil. Now what happens when this EMF, flux is changing, linking with the coil 2, it creates or it produces the induced EMF as well as the induced current in the second coil. Okay, but again this current which is produced as the induced current in the second coil, it opposes the rise in the current in the first coil, or if the current is decreasing in the first coil, it will oppose to that also. So that is done with a property which is called as mutual inductance. Be careful what I am saying here. The current is given in the first coil, that is giving magnetic flux. This magnetic flux is giving induced current in the second coil or in the secondary coil, and in turn this secondary current, secondary coil current is trying to affect the current in the first coil. If current is rising, it will try to oppose that rise. If the current is falling down, it will try to increase it. So that is done with the help of a coefficient, that is done with the help of a property called as the mutual inductance. So mutual inductance will come into play when there are two coils, they are kept side by side. So mathematically I can write here phi 2 1 is equal to again Mi1. In some books you will find this as to be written as M21 also. Okay, that is called as the mutual inductance of coil 2 with respect to 1, like that. Okay. So where M is the constant of proportionality and is known as mutual inductance or coefficient of mutual induction. Now how to define it here? Just like L, we can define it also. If I1 is equal to 1, then M will be equal to phi. Thus mutual inductance is defined as the magnetic flux linked with the secondary coil when unit current flows through the primary coil. Alternately, we can define like this also by using the definition of Lenz law. Let us say that the induced EMF in the secondary coil is E2. Then I can write here E2 is equal to minus d phi 21 by dt. And if I put the value of phi 21 from this equation, okay, we can write here E2 is equal to minus m di1 by dt. Okay. So, from here also we can define the mutual inductance. Let us take di1 by dt equal to 1, then m will be equal to E. Thus, we can say the mutual inductance is defined as the induced EMF set up in the secondary coil when the rate of change of current in the primary coil is unity. So, this is the way how we can define the mutual induction. Now, after this video, I am going to post 2 more videos. That will be one for the case of self induction, that will be a application will be taken there, and again I will put one more video based on the application of this mutual induction, where we will try to find out the values of L and M. So, till then you take care, bye, and watch the next video. Thank you.